With Republic, and well, we get to the latest as the Supreme Court is hearing a plea on free treatment in charitable hospitals for COVID patients. The CJI has asked the centre that why hospitals cannot treat a number of COVID patients for free. Harish Salve and Mukul Rohatgi, who are appearing for hospital associations, have said that the hospitals are already doing their part to subsidize the rates of treatment in COVID cases. Nalini, our legal correspondent, is with us on the phone line. Nalini, first up, details on the arguments that are being made.
Well, this is a PIL situation that the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India bench is hearing right now, pertaining to whether or not charitable hospitals as well as hospitals that have gotten land at concessional rates from the government should make the COVID treatment for the patients who come to those hospitals for free or not. So with respect to that, we have the Solicitor General of India who is representing the centre before the Supreme Court, essentially saying that the government is doing all that it can when it comes to the lowest strata of the society in response to the arguments that are being put forth by the petitioner, where he is alleging that the Ayushman Bharat scheme that has been put in place by the government is actually helping the private hospitals more than it is helping the individual citizens. So in response to that, the Solicitor General has clarified that the government is taking several steps to ensure that the people who cannot afford these treatments in private hospitals are getting all the help that they can from the Ayushman Bharat scheme. He goes on to say that the Ayushman Bharat scheme identifies certain categories of people who need the help of the government, and it is on the basis of that the government works. In addition to that, we also have Mukul Rohatgi and Harish Salve, both senior advocates, representing the Hospitals Association, where they're saying that several of these private hospitals are already carrying on their duty to ensure that a certain treatment is made free for a certain section of the society who cannot go forth and afford the COVID treatment in private hospitals during this time of the pandemic.
Nalini, continue talking to us because during a previous hearing, the bench had observed that many private hospitals have been given land either free of cost or at a very nominal cost. And that is why the bench has also questioned that these charitable hospitals should treat such patients for free. And the court also went on to say that some charitable hospitals must be identified, to which Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had said that this is a decision that will be taken by the government. So how far are things moving on that front?
Well, Tushar Mehta for the centre has today filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court with respect to this particular petition. And essentially what they've stated in their petition is that there are several private hospitals, because if you remember, there was a hearing that was going on earlier also in the Supreme Court as to whether or not COVID testing should be made free for everybody, where at the end of the day, the Supreme Court had come forth and ordered that all the beneficiaries of the Ayushman Bharat scheme should be applicable for a free treatment in any hospital across the country. So it is keeping that in mind, this Solicitor General has today filed another affidavit in this particular PIL, where he's gone forth and given details of the Ayushman Bharat scheme, along with the kind of people who are benefiting from the Ayushman Bharat scheme, giving the categories of all those people that the government is helping. So the steps that the Supreme Court had asked for have been laid out by the Solicitor General before the Supreme Court, and now the Supreme Court is going to decide whether or not they will make it compulsory for hospitals that have got land at concessional rates from the government. Should they or should they not make it absolutely free to treat all the COVID patients that can't be admitted in their hospitals? So the arguments are still underway. The bench headed by the Chief Justice of India is hearing this particular petition. Chief Justice of India, however, has made it amply clear that they are not dealing with private hospitals here. They are only dealing with charitable hospitals or hospitals who have got land at concessional rates.
Right. All right. Nalini, thank you for joining us.